Hello everyone and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods, and we're jumping into our How to Make Money with PLR Ebooks. This is a mini course and this is video number 2. So we're going to be talking about how to make money with PLR Ebooks in this video. So who am I? My name's David and I run this YouTube channel, Teach Me Money Methods. I make money full-time online, and many of my methods include using PLR products. So just before we jump into the meat and potatoes of the video, I want to just share with you my PLR Profits Academy course. This PLR Profits Academy course is my premium PLR course that'll teach you and show you over the shoulder how to profit from PLR. I take you inside my accounts and show you how I make money every day with PLR. If you are interested at any time, make sure you go through the entire video, and then at the end of the video, click the first link in the description just to check out PLR Profits and see if it's for you. So let's jump in. So what will you learn in this video today? So in the previous PLR training, we went over how to profit from PLR articles. This is a mini series, a mini course that I'm putting together for free for you on the channel, that I'm sharing with you some very valuable content regarding how to make money with private label rights or PLR products. There's different types of PLR products, from videos to ebooks to articles, all kinds of stuff. And I'm taking you through a series of how you can go about taking different PLR products and then utilizing them in different ways to make money. There is not just one way to skin the cat. There's several different methods to use these products that are already done for you. The beauty behind PLR products is that it's products that, yes, a lot of people have access to, but most people will not put in the efforts that I teach you in PLR Profits Academy, and then I'll show you in this mini series as well. They will not put in the effort to make sure that they have a high quality product to actually sell and rebrand this product as your own. So if you want, check out video number 1. I'll leave a link up at the top as well for you to check out the first video if you're landing on this one and you did not see the first video. And I will also have a playlist for this series. So in this video, we will be looking at PLR ebooks and going over the best ways to make money from them. So the different strategies to make money from PLR ebooks include, but they're not limited to, but I am going to go over my favorite ones, okay? So rewrite the ebook. So you take the content, and I'm going to show you in a minute, so stay tuned. After this slide, I will be jumping in and showing you a screen share and taking you through my methods and what sites I actually use, okay? So we will rewrite the ebook using a really awesome tool I've been using for like the past 10 years or so. Rewrite the ebook and sell it on Amazon and Draft2 Digital. So Draft2 Digital will publish your ebook on multiple sites like Barnes & Noble and Apple Books and all kinds of other ones. I think they have about 10 sites they will publish it for you. All you have to do is take your cover, create a cover, make sure your content's good, proofread it, and make sure it's unique. Send it through the spinner and then proofread it, and then you can upload it to the site, and then they will do the rest of the hard work for you and upload it to about 10 sites. And I'll show you proof of earnings and all that in a second. So we can move on. You can also use the content as a way to create YouTube videos and build a YouTube channel. I'm going to show you an example of this as well. And so one ebook, which is cool, you download an ebook, could land you 10 YouTube videos, because each chapter could be, a chapter is 500, 1,000, sometimes 1,500 words for one chapter. That is a really good 5 to 12 minute YouTube video where you can record the voiceover or outsource that to Fiverr. And then you can even have the video editing done by somebody else, or you can do it yourself using Vidnami. I will also have a link below for that as well. So you can also sell ebooks on eBay. I will show you an example of this going on as well and how people do this. And then my favorite method is creating Udemy courses with PLR ebooks. So the reason I like using ebooks to create Udemy courses is because The ebook is already laid out with headings, with subtopics, right? So every chapter of the ebook can be a lecture in your Udemy course. So think about it. If you have 10 chapters in your ebook, then that means that you can have 10 lectures in your course, and you want to be looking for ebooks that have 5,000 to 10,000 words. If you have a 5,000 word ebook, it's going to land you about a 30-minute video, a 30-minute course, and then a 60-minute course for a 10,000 word ebook. But I really like that because it's already organized. The research is done. All the work's done for you. All you have to do is just take it and re-record it into some really good audio, or outsource it, have someone from Fiverr. I get a lot of questions. Can I make a course with robotic voices and all that? You know what? There are several courses on Udemy that have passed I don't know how they're passing the review, but they are passing with robot voices and all that. But guess what? No one really wants to sit through an hour course listening to a robot. So you do want to spend the money to get somebody to do the voiceover for you, or just get a mic and record it yourself. And people will really appreciate having a real voice behind what's going on, and not a robot. So, and you know what? I will tell you that using the robot, method, and using the sites and all that stuff, I mean, it takes almost just as long to put all those together, chop up all your stuff, all the scripts, and record, put them through those systems and download and all that. You're, kind of doing yourself and your customer a disservice. You may as well just record them, and you're going to have a lot better results, better reviews, all that stuff. So that's just a side note. I do this on a daily basis, so I can give that advice out to you. So you can record the voiceovers, and use the video editors. My favorites, WeVideo, and I'll have a link below as well. WeVideo and Vidnami are going to be your two best softwares to make this happen. So there's many other ways you can make money with these, with ebooks. These are just my favorites. So I'm going to show you a demo, and we're going to jump in real quick. So I'll go over here, and we're going to go over to Google, and I'm going to show you. So we're going to go over here to my favorite place, which is Big Products Store. And you can see that image that I got for the thumbnail of the video. I actually got it from Big Products Store. So I went to Big Products Store. I went to products, and then I went to ebooks, and I just searched for one, which was down here, and I grabbed it, and I just went ahead and went into Canva and got rid of the background and all that stuff. So, but they are coming out with products daily and uploading fresh content for you daily. If you're taking this business serious, you don't want to just grab this stuff. There's a lot of people that are just grabbing this and they're going and throwing it all over the internet. And it's really just not going to do you any good. You're not going to build a brand, or you're not going to make sales just grabbing, the same book, 1,000 people going and uploading it all over the internet. You want to utilize this and be smart about it, right? So you want to grab this stuff and redo the content, make a different cover and all that. So take advantage of the content being done for you, but don't just upload the same cover and all that. So, this site is my favorite. I've used all of them: PLR Assassin, PLR Weekly, but Big Product Store, I think, just has the best quality. I will drop a link below as well for Big Products Store. You can join it today. They usually have some sales going on where you can get a pretty good deal. Right now, it looks like they have a 50% off. So their normal membership is $200. You can get it for $98 right now. So they have a 50% discount applied. This is not always available. It usually is, but it's not always available. So if you pay the $98, you'll have lifetime access. And that is what I recommend, is just going and paying it one time. I know it's a lot of money up front, but you buy it and then you just never have to worry about buying PLR products again. You have a really nice site that has been up for a long time, and they seem to just have really good quality stuff. So you would come over here and you'd grab a book. You can come over here and sort by ebooks, and you would just grab a book, right? So that one that I was looking at, you can click the book. It will usually do a summary right there, and you would just push download, download the book, grab the book, right? And Then we're going to head over to Spin Rewriter. I will drop a link below as well. These are all the tools I use on a daily basis in my own business. So I'm not just recommending these to you, trying to make money as an affiliate. I actually use these tools on a daily basis, and I can show you my proof of earnings. So this is just me sharing for free my methods on how I make money with PLR products, and I'm sharing with you the tools that I use. Obviously there's a lot of tools out there. You can take it or leave it. You can utilize other tools, no problem. Just make sure you're using a good spinner. There's Word AI and there's Spin Rewriter. Word AI is like way more expensive than this Spin Rewriter. You can get lifetime access to this for $400. Sometimes they have sales for $200 for lifetime access as well. But this is my favorite tool I've been using for years and years and years. You can also try it out. So just sign up for the link below and try it out for free, and you will see the power of that. I have a lot of other video demos on the channel. Just type PLR in the search on my channel and you will find plenty of other videos where I take you through demos on how to use the software. I'm not going to do that in this video. The video will get too long. So you do that, and then you would just come over here for that first example, right? When we're over here, rewriting your ebook or going to Amazon, what you would want to do is come over here to Draft to Digital. Obviously, you can go to Amazon. Now you're going to have to be real careful with Amazon. They're very strict on their publishing. They are definitely going to look at your book and inspect every word of it. And so, it's just a little bit harder to get them to go through Amazon. But you certainly can do that. Just make sure you proofread your content and you'll be fine. Draft to Digital is what I'm showing today. So you would just come over here, sign up as a publisher. And, I just pulled up some reports here. You can see just some like my royalty. Okay, so I just did a different chart, but you can see there's Vivlio, there's Overdrive, Tolino, Apple Books, Scribed, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, and Hoopla. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have 8 sites right now. They used to have Google Play. It was a bummer that they don't distribute them into Google Play as well. Right now, I don't take my books and upload them into Google Play, but you can also go and upload your books into Google, and you would have probably a similar impact as Apple and Scribed. So it is worth it, and Barnes & Noble. But this is something I'm not hitting and throwing up books right now in my business. But you can see, I've made about $1,000 this year just for having some books setting in my account. So proof of earnings right here. This does work. We go over to YouTube for our next method, right? We're going to jump into our next method. Actually, we're going to jump into, let me show you eBay real quick. So we'll come over here and we go over to eBay, and you just type in digital books on eBay, right? And so we're just going to start looking through here. Some of these are still physical books, but we just want to find something that looks like it's a digital type book. And one that stands out to me right here is that they put digital down. So that's a digital download. It's a green smoothies. They have a sponsored ad going on right here. You can tell, and they're selling it for $275, 11 sold. So people are buying this book right here, right? So could we replicate something like this on eBay and sell it? Yes, we can. We'll go back over to Big Product Store. We come over here into the search box over here and we type in green smooth. So I'll just type in green smooth search. Let's see if there's any green smoothie type stuff over here. There's all kinds of stuff. You can make a green smoothie course. You can do all kinds of stuff. Look at these books right here. You can sell these books. Redo a cover, and you could put these up on eBay, and you can start selling your book as well, selling it for $3. It won't cost you any money, and you can start profiting $2, $3 per sale. And imagine this is just one book. Imagine if you had 100, 200, 300, 1,000 books on eBay. Yes, it will work. So we go back over here. And create Udemy courses is my favorite. So we'll dive into my account. Here's a revenue account right here. Last month I was at $350. I self-promoted and got almost $150. I have about 8 courses on this account. You'll see right here, success habits. This is one of my courses that was completely created from PLR products. And I just want to show you that it ranks on the first page and that I did make sales as well. On this one, I only made $4 last month, but check it out. We are over here. I typed in success habits on Udemy, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm ranked number 4 out of 7,000 results. And you can see there's David Mills. That's me. 4.6. I have 26 reviews. It's a 1-hour course. And I did, you saw that I had 1 enrollment. And this software right here, actually, I'll do another video on it. It's Course Champ, but they're very, very accurate, very, very accurate with some details on that. So there is that. So let's jump back in over here real quick. So let's do a summary of what we learned in this video. There's several ways that you can make money on with PLR ebooks. The advantage of using PLR products is that the content is already done for you. The best ways to make money with PLR, in my opinion, is creating videos for a YouTube channel, rewriting the content and publishing them on Amazon and Draft2 Digital, selling them on eBay, and creating Udemy courses. Remember to publish quality and not spam any of these sites, or it will not work out for you in the long run, and I can guarantee you that. So, thank you for watching this video. Obviously, like the video and subscribe and hit that bell notification if you want to make sure that you get my video number 3 that will be coming out. This is a mini series on PLR, making money with PLR. This is video number 2, and I will have more videos coming out. So if you want video 3, you will need to subscribe so you can get a notification of that, right? And just one more thing, PLR Profits Academy. It's a premium membership. If you think that this video is valuable, multiply that by 10, and that is what you get in PLR Profits Academy. So thank you. See you next time.